Okay, what's up YouTube? It's your man, Mike Junior Hoops, coming back at it again with another, come on. Today, I'm going to be teaching you a tutorial on how to tie your basketball shoes to your hoop gym bag. Now, a lot of people has asked me for this tutorial in like my TikTok videos and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you this tutorial and let's get into it, man. Make sure you comment, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Make sure you tune into the new videos that's coming out, bro. I'm going D2 in a week, so make sure you subscribe for that because I'm gonna be vlogging every day. So make sure you subscribe for that and tune in. Let's get it, chat. Wait, gotta do the famous outro. Okay, so chat, as you can see, I am now ready for the hoop section that I'm going to go to. And guess what? What do I have? The shoes attached to the gym book bag.
Well, no fucking shit.
But that's why you're here, for me to show you. So I'm going to show you now. So the first thing you want to do in order to attach your shoes to your hoop gym bag is you want to grab your shoes. Secondly, now when you have both of your shoes here, the first thing you want to do, or the second, because the first thing you do is grab your shoes. Second thing you want to do is grab your shoelaces here. Now you want to get both of your shoelaces in the air that they are symmetrical to each other, because this is where it gets tricky. You're going to tie both of these together, as in almost you're tying your shoe. Do not tie them too hard because they're going to become knotted in your book bag when you're walking. So as you tie them, you're going to go here, simply boom. Now for the third step. For the third step in tying your shoes around your gym book bag is the most simplest step you can do. You're going to go here in the corner, in the slight corner of your gym book bag. You're going to put one shoe inside of the strap, leave the other on the side, and ta-da! You have your gym shoes attached to your gym book bag. But there is also another way that you can tie your shoes to your gym book bag. Now, we are on the second way to tie your basketball shoes to your gym bag. Because as you can see, wait, there you go. You're tied, bro. You're tied to my gym bag. So there's another way you can do it. But this way is like both of the shoes is like one shoe always have, one shoe on the other side. That's what I'm saying. So, how y'all been feeling though? This is just a break from the video, just to ask like y'all, like how y'all feel? Like drop in the comment section how you feel today. You know what I'm saying? If you made it this far in the video, you like the comment. Yeah. I'm finna go hoop. When I get in the gym, I'm gonna show y'all the second way. Cause I'm gonna take my shoes off. I'm like doing right now. So I'm gonna take my shoes off and have to put them on. So while I do that, I might as well. Boom! What's up, chat? Welcome to the second part. I'm supposed to show you on how to tie your basketball shoes to your gym book bag. Now, after I take off my shoes, you feel what I'm saying? I'm going. See, look, this is what I say. You're not supposed to tie them like super tight, bro. Cause you see, like, if you, I'm like try to take them out, bro, they're gonna get like super tangled, bro. So like after you like untangle them, right?
2 hours later.
It is tricky. Okay, after you take them out, right? Now I have your bag and I have the shoes. So you already know this part, tying them. So what you're gonna do this part, now let me show you. You're gonna take this, you wanna put it, put this, you wanna put one shoe on this side, then you're gonna put one shoe on the other. So now you have both shoes on both sides. So now we look up. Alright, both shoes, both sides, like this, like that, bro. Makes sense, bro. Like that. Black and white. That's the best way. I don't usually do that way. I'm gonna start doing that way just because I made this video. But that's the best way to do it. But yeah. Now chat, for the people that just came for the tutorial, you can skip away the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. But the people who actually rock with me and like love my videos and like me as a YouTuber, stay, because I'm going to go get some buckets in this gym. I'm in the gym right now. I'm gonna get some buckets. So like you might want to stay because I'm recording. Get some buckets. So you might want to stay because there's some buckets there. So yeah. So I'm gonna take my shoes on, put my shoes on, and we get some buckets. Stay tuned.
dog. Come on, man.
Now, I'm really mad.
Alright, chat. Boom. If you made it this far, make sure you drop a like and subscribe, bro. If you really found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and view my other videos, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come out. Just let me know in the comments what y'all want to see, what y'all want to do, like more tutorials, bro, more vlogs, bro. Like what y'all want, bro. I just want to make videos for y'all, bro. Y'all almost have 5,000 subscribers, so if I can get 300 more subscribers, we at like 4,700 right now. So if I get 300 more subscribers, bro, we got 5,000 subscribers. Like, you know how good that is as like an upcoming YouTuber? 5,000 subscribers, bro. So we just hit 20K on IG, finna hit 12K on TikTok. So, you know what I'm saying? We doing good right now. So just make sure y'all like and subscribe, bro. And keep getting buckets, chat. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.